Hi! In this video, you're going to learn French with Lupin from Netflix. By the end of this video, you're going to be able to understand some colloquial phrases used in this show while improving your listening and comprehension skills. So, let's begin!
C'est qui?
C'est Perena.
Entre. T'as l'argent?
En fait, j'ai une galère, j'ai pas la thune. Et je voulais voir avec Vincent si c'était...
Viens avec moi, on va prendre l'air.
Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Qu'est-ce que tu
De
fais?
là, bâtard, putain.
Attends, écoutez-moi d'abord. Vincent, écoutez-moi. Oh putain! Il est où mon argent? Je l'ai pas. Je l'ai passé à la merde, mon fils. Donne-moi plus de temps, s'il te plaît.
Ah ouais, bah tu sais quoi, on va aller lui rendre visite à la mère de ton fils.
Non. Je décolle rien du tout, d'accord? Tu me reposes. Et je vous explique comment faire de l'oseille. Beaucoup d'oseille.
Entre. T'as l'argent?
Entre. T'as l'argent?
Here, the verb entre is conjugated in the imperative form, since this person is giving Assane the order to enter. Entre comes from the verb entrer, to enter. T'as l'argent, on the other hand, means do you have the money? Ta is the abbreviation of the pronoun and the verb tu as. Here we have what we call in French the liaison. The liaison is the practice of taking the last letter from one word which normally wouldn't be pronounced and linking it to the next word that comes after. This only happens when the second word begins with a vowel sound. En fait, j'ai une galère.
En fait, j'ai une galère.
This means, in fact, I have a problem. Galère means a punishment or a problem or a hard trouble. So in this case, Assane is telling that he has a problem. He's in some trouble. J'ai pas la thune et je voulais voir avec Vincent.
J'ai pas la thune. Et je voulais voir avec Vincent si c'était...
I don't have the money and I wanted to speak with Vincent. The word thune in French slang has been used for quite a long time and its usage became more prominent during the 19th and 20th centuries. Tu fais quoi? Bouge de là, bâtard, putain!
Qu'est-ce que tu
De
fais?
là, bâtard, putain.
This means, what are you doing? Move from there, bastard. Fuck. So, in the first sentence, we have the verb faire conjugated in the second person of the present tense. Tu fais. Then, we have the expression bouge de là. This expression in French is quite difficult to translate, but it means move from there. Let's see it together. Bouge comes from the verb bouger, which means to move. Bouge, in this case, is the imperative form and it's instructing someone to move from that place. So it's giving an order. De is a preposition that can be translated as from. And finally, là translates to there, from that place. Je l'ai passé à la mère de mon fils.
Je l'ai passé à la merde, mon fils.
This structure means I gave it to the mother of my son. In this sentence, we have the verb passer, which means to give, to pass, conjugated in the verb passé composé. Le passé composé is the most common used verb or verb tense in French to talk about the past. But in this expression, you'll see that there is an L in the middle. Je l'ai passé. This L is the pronoun le, which refers back to the money. This pronoun is called the pronom COD, complément d'objet direct. Donne-moi plus de temps.
Donne-moi plus de temps, s'il te plaît.
This sentence means give me more time. In this sentence, don is the imperative form of the verb donner. Moi is the indirect object pronoun, which means me. Plus modifies ton to mean more time, and de connects plus to temps to mean more of time, more time. Et je vous explique comment faire beaucoup d'oseille.
Et je vous explique comment faire de l'oseille. Beaucoup d'oseille.
This translates to, and I will explain you how to make a lot of money. The term oseille is a French slang used in certain contexts to refer to money, cash or bucks. Now, are you ready to see everything again without the subtitles? Let's give it a try.